Dr. Beasley's NSP-Z1 is a one-step primer and nano coating designed to clean, polish, protect in one step. NSP-Z1 uses composite engineered abrasives for correcting ability and contains a unique nanostructure resin formulated with silicone and titanium dioxide for protection. In simple words, this is a ceramic AIO, the latest evolution in one-step products. NSP-Z1 is designed to be machine applied using any orbital polisher. Simply apply just like you would a compound or a polish with a foam polishing pad. After buffing, immediately wipe off the residue with a clean, soft microfiber towel. With the single primer polish, you can remove swirls, scratches, water spots, and oxidation, while at the same time creating a high gloss finish and leaving behind a durable ceramic nano coating of protection. It's truly a one-and-done product that will create show car results in one easy step. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.